Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix Instagram not working in iPhone. If you are using Instagram and you're facing the issue that your Instagram app is not working in your iPhone, so let's see some possible fixes. The very first thing is that you just have to check your network that you have a stable and the strongest network connection. Then go back, open your settings app, go for general, go for software update, and you have to try to update your software. Go back again, go for the VPN and device management, and you have to make sure that your VPN is not connected. If you're connected to any VPN, try to disconnect with that, and after doing that, simply go back from here and you have to go for date and time settings and you have to enable this toggle set your date and time automatically. Then again go back, open App Store, search for Instagram, and you have to check for updates for your Instagram app. If you find any updates here, try to update your app. And after that, you have to go back and you have to recheck your issue has been fixed or not. If it's still not fixed, open your settings app, go for general, go for iPhone storage, look for Instagram app, try to offload your app, or you can also try to delete app. So after offloading or deleting, you will be reinstall app, and after reinstallation process, your issue must be fixed and you'll not get the same issue again. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.